Hello students, welcome back in maths classes. Today I am going to solve question number 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 2.2. So this is the second chapter, linear equations in one variable, and I am going to solve this exercise on page number 33. This 2.2, question number 4, 5 and 6. So these questions we will solve, and I hope you remember all the basic concepts of this chapter which will be used to solve the linear equations. Now this exercise is important because we have to solve word problems. So what is important? Convert the word problems into mathematical equations or algebraic equations. So let's start. Question number 4. It is sum of two numbers is 95 if one exceeds the other by 15. Find the numbers. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. Now, it is very important. So, you have to understand the meaning of this. Sum of two numbers is 95. Means you have two numbers whose sum is 95. If one exceeds the other, it means more. Exceed का मतलब होता है more. Means one number is more than the other by 15. एक नंबर दूसरे नंबर से 15 ज़्यादा है तो हमें नंबर पता करने हैं. So this is the process. Let the numbers are x and x plus 15 because one number exceeds the other by 15. तो एक नंबर x है दूसरा x plus 15 होगा. Now use this statement. Sum of two numbers is 95. It means sum of this and this is 95. So here we will convert this sentence into an algebraic equation. Then x plus 15 equals 95 because sum of both these is 95. Now I hope it is easier and you can solve. So x plus x becomes 2x and 15 can be transposed to right hand side. Now what is on right hand side? 95 minus 15. So it is 18 and x will be 80 upon 2, that is 40. So we have found the value of x and you can write the answer. First number is 40. Second number is, because x is 40, so first number is 40 and second number is x plus 15. So it is 40 plus 15, that is 55. So you can make a box around the values. This is answer. First number is 40, second is 55, and you can cross check it. So it's very easy. How you will cross check? See, sum of two numbers is 95. So sum of both these is 95 and one exceeds the other by 15 means एक नंबर दूसरे से 15 ज़्यादा है. तो क्या ये नंबर इससे 15 ज़्यादा है? Yes. ये 55 है या 40 है? So we have cross check. इस तरह से आप अपने आंसर को शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं. So students, note it down. Okay. Fifth question. Two numbers are in the ratio. Two numbers are in ratio 5:3 if they differ by 18. What are the numbers? Two numbers are in ratio 5:3 if they differ by 18. What are the numbers? Now this is a different type of question. यहाँ पर पैटर्न थोड़ा अलग है. ये रेशियो गिवन है 5:3. So whenever you face this type of problem, to consider the numbers as 5x and 3x, because the ratio is the comparison of numbers, not exactly. This ratio doesn't represent the numbers, it represents the means it shows the comparison only. So you can imagine that numbers are 5x and 3x. Now we will write, let the numbers are 5x and 3x. Then you can also write according to question. Then if they differ means difference, दो numbers का difference, so differ by 18. Obviously this is bigger, this is smaller, so you will write 5x minus 3x equals, they differ by 18, so you write 18. It is 2x equals 18, x equals 18 upon 2, that is 9. So you will write the answer. Hence first number equals, that is x. Okay, so the value of x you know, but what are the numbers? Numbers are 5x and 3x. Obviously you will put the value of x in these values. Now first number is 5 into 9, that is 45, and second number is 3x, so x will be 9, it is 3 into 9. So these are the answers. So numbers are 45 and 15. Again you can cross check your answer. अपने आंसर को चेक करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, सो वी विल चेक द रेशियो इज 5:3. अगर हम इसको किसी नंबर से डिवाइड करें, ओके, ओके, द नंबर second number is, by mistake it is written, what is second number? Second is 3 9 jar, okay, 27. Now you can cross check. So ratio means you can cancel out these numbers by a single number. तो आपको इन दोनों को डिवाइड करना है. So you can divide by 9, okay, it is 9 5 is 45, 9 3 is 27. The ratio is 5:3. And what is the difference? See, it should be 18. Obviously difference of these is 18. So this is the answer. Note it down. Next question, next and last questions of today's video. Sixth question, it's also important. It is 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? So it is very important to understand the meaning of consecutive. Consecutive means if 3 numbers are consecutive, it means they are in a sequence, they are taken from counting. Okay, for example, 3 consecutive numbers may be 1 2 and 3, 4 5 and 6, 11 12 and 13, like this. Okay, and add up to 51 means that total is 51. So we will write, I am writing the solution. Okay, let three consecutive integers, let the integers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2, obviously. So I tell you why I have written this. Suppose three numbers are 7, 8, 9. If you add 1 to 7, you get 8. If you add 2 to 7, you get 9. So it is 7 plus 1, 8, and it is 7 plus 2, 9. So if this number is x, it is x plus 1, it is x plus 2. Now we can write the numbers as x, x plus 1, x plus 2, and according to question, sum is 51. Sum of all these, x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals 51. Now x, x and x, that together make 3x, and 1 plus 2, 3. So we will transpose 3 to right hand side. 3x equals, what is the difference of this? It is 48. Okay, and x will be 48 upon 3, that is 16. Now you can write the answer is, the numbers are, these are three numbers, so you can just put the value of x, 16 here. Numbers are 16, 16 plus 1, 16 plus 2, so it is 16, it is 17, it is 18. As you can see, these are the numbers taken from the counting, as the difference is only 1, okay, between any two consecutive numbers. So ये तीनों consecutive numbers हैं, because दोनों का difference pair wise 1 है, difference is 1, difference is 1. Now you can cross check, these are consecutive, and the total of these is 51. You can check, x plus 7, 15, plus 6, 21. Okay, so we'll have 1, 2 carry, 3, 4, 5. You can check the addition. Okay, आपको ऐड करना था, आप easily ऐड कर सकते हैं. So here is the answer of 6th question. Note it down. So okay students, I hope you understood this topic. Do practice regularly, do study